Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable photo studio that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have PULUZ Mini Photo Studio Box. The PULUZ Photo Studio Box comes with a compact design perfect for carrying with you. Despite its size, it has enough space for many kinds of smaller objects to fit in. The PULUZ Mini Light Box features an integrated light bar with 20 pieces of high-quality SMD LED beads. This provides the perfect lighting to achieve high-quality results. The light box allows multi-angle shooting, thanks to its horizontal and vertical windows. If you are a photographer, you can even bring this light box to your customers' shops or offices, as it is easy to carry and set up. The box is completely detachable, and all the installation is made with Velcro. Made of hard polypropylene, waterproof, wrinkle-free, easy to clean, and can be directly wiped with a damp cloth. Moving on at number 4, we have Neewer 24 inches by 24 inches Portable. You don't always need fancy light arrays to provide your illumination. This translucent box surrounds a subject with diffusion material. Then, photographers can add their own light, whether it's natural from the outdoors or artificial from hot lights and flashes. Because it doesn't rely on included or built-in lights, this box offers a lot more creative freedom than some others on the list. You can get really creative with flashes, natural light, or mixing both. It comes with 4 backdrops, including black, white, blue, and red. Openings allow for shooting from the front or from the top. This model allows photographers to close the front panel and shoot through a small slit in order to minimize reflections. That can make a big difference when shooting something very reflective. At number 3, we have Amazon Basics Portable Photo Studio Box. There are many features regarding this light box that make it a huge benefit to your photography and workflow. Firstly, it takes less than a minute to set up. So this is perfect for any indoor or outdoor shoots where you are pushed for time. Secondly, it is very portable. It collapses into a thin case, allowing you to take it anywhere with you. The light box that you enjoy using is the one you will shoot with the most, creating great product images. Out of most of the photo light boxes in your list, this is one of the largest. This makes it perfect for those medium-sized items. On top of these benefits, you will find built-in 5600K daylight balanced LEDs. There is nothing else you need, except your camera and some time. At number 2, we have SMTN Portable. SMTN is a name you should know when it comes to photography light boxes. There are 2 on our list, and this is the smaller of the 2. This is the 16 inches cube, which is more than enough for the small and medium-sized items you need to capture. The 84-piece LED light comes in strips and can be placed in multiple positions to ensure all-over lighting. Not only is it easy to set up, but it is also portable and easy to carry. This can go on location to any environment, indoors or outdoors. There are 6 different backgrounds, allowing versatility in the products and items you shoot. The reflective silver sides bounce the color you are using to keep it consistent. SMTN is a company specializing in the production of the photo box, LED video light, ring light, LED light box, microphone, and other photography types of equipment. And finally at number 1. Limo Studio Light Tent Kit. Another 16 inches photo light box that is great to use is the Limo Studio 16 by 16 inches Light Tent Kit. As it is a kit, it comes with many features that make it a joy to work with and shoot inside. Firstly, the 4 different backgrounds allow you to capture most items easily when white does not quite fit. It comes with a mini camera stand, which is adjustable to 8 inches in total. The 2 tabletops LED lights reach 600 lumens. Lighting the product through the fabric walls will not be a problem. The fabric is polyester, making it easier to clean for those more experimental shoots. This tabletop LED light stand allows you to move your light source with ease. giving you rearable tripod legs when you just want to place it on your choice of surface, and the ability to simply hold when you want to control your light further. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.